Alright guys, we're going to do the unboxing of the Painless wiring harness for Copperhead. This is the Universal Kit 21 circuit kit. Let's see what's all in this stuff. Okay. Read owner's manual first. Well, I don't have an owner's manual. Some wanting me to get this braided cover for their kit. It's kind of like the plastic stuff. I guess it might be a little better. But let's see. I might buy that. I don't know. But a little advertisement for them. Okay, let's get the meat and vegetables of this thing. Got some connectors and fuses. Looks like some ground lugs. And a connector in there. All that stuff. And here it says alternator pieces. Looks like big connectors, crimp-ons. I'll see all that stuff. Crimp-ons in there. Covers. Terminal strip for, I guess, the battery. Some more crimp-ons. A boot for the alternator. Okay, over here, what we got in here? Okay, let's go ahead and open this one up. See what's all in here. Yep, that's the Chevy harness for the steering column. We don't need that shit. Zip ties. Some universal headlight connectors. So those will come in handy. Big long screw. 2 of them. I guess that's to tie down the fuse box. Bunch more of connectors for terminal blocks, or the plugs. That's probably the other end of that one, so we don't need that shit. Grommets for the firewall. Probably gonna have to get some more, but those will be a good start. Flasher. Comes with just about everything, I guess. Okay, now let's get to the big stuff. All right. Got the big. What gauge is that? Let's see what gauge that is. Does it say? No, but that's Senator 6. That's pretty good cable. I'll probably get some other stuff from we got the, see how many we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I got 11 fuses and a horn relay, which we won't use that because drag cars don't need horns. But everything's well marked for everything. Looks good. on the back. I'm hoping I'll be able to find a place in the dash. I might be able to use that same spot for the where the factory is. Factory fuse box is on it. Let's see here. And everything looks like it's labeled on the wires, so you know what's what. That should make it pretty easy, hopefully. I've never used one of these. I've always just built my own wiring harness. So I'm going to try this out. Probably might make it easier, might make it harder. Who knows? Get that out of the way. Backing plate for the fuse box. Ooh, stickers! We don't need that shit. Got some dielectric grease here. Be good. Okay, what do we got here? Wire installation instructions. At least it's big where blind people can see. That's pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see that real well, but that's pretty good size type because I'm blind. Just wish I knew how to read. Oh, but they have pictures, so we're good. Okay. Showing helpful ways of doing stuff. Right way to wire stuff. That's pretty good. Be some information for people that have never wired anything before. I might be able to pick up a few things out of this. Who knows? But it's a pretty thick book. I'm sure it's not the end-all be-all. A lot of Chevy pictures in here. Hear my dog walking around. Showing the schematics of the wiring harness. That's pretty good. Ooh. Awesome. And it's got a pinout for the fuse box. That's really good. That's really good. I'm going to have to use the radio for something else because we ain't going to have a radio in it. We don't need tunes. Of engine noise. But anyway, that's the unboxing of the Painless wiring harness. Let's get all the stuff back in here so I can put it up. Yeah, hopefully when I get to not working so much, I actually get to turn some more wrenches on Copperhead. Feel a little ill today, so I didn't go to work. But I'm feeling good enough to do videos. I ain't feeling good enough to go out there and work on the truck. So I have to wait for another day to do start putting in the wiring harness. I gotta pull the dash and pull all the old wiring out of it first anyway. Stuff can go. Alright. But there you go, there's the unboxing of the Painless wiring harness. That's all I gotta say about it. I'll see y'all later.